You've been lied to. Yes, you. For years, we were told that cozy homes, the kind that wrap you in peace, the kind that smell like memories and feel like love, can only be built with money, with designer labels, with high-end brands. But I'm here to challenge that belief. Because what if I told you that some of the warmest, most soul-soothing homes I've ever stepped into were crafted with nothing more than Dollar Tree finds and a little heart? And today, I'm going to prove it to you, one deeply personal story at a time. Welcome to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, where we don't just talk about transformation, we live it. Whether you're joining us from the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, I want you to lean in close. This video is made for you, especially if you've ever looked around your home and thought, I wish I could do more, but I just don't have the money. That ends today. Because in just a few minutes, I'm revealing 8 Dollar Tree DIY hacks that secretly turn any space into a cozy paradise. And you better believe it when I say, hack number 5 is the one that changed everything for me. But before we dive in, let me ask you something powerful. What's one thing in your home or garden that's driving you absolutely nuts right now? Is it the lifeless corner that feels like it's sucking the joy out of the room? Or that garden patch that just refuses to bloom? Drop it in the comments, not just for me, but for this entire community of brilliant, resilient women who are walking this journey with you. Because every comment you share isn't just a reply, it's a ripple. It's encouragement. It's proof that you're not doing this alone, and you deserve to be seen. We've got so much to uncover in this video. And trust me, what you're about to discover is more than just tips. It's a quiet revolution. These aren't just hacks, they're hidden pathways to joy, confidence, and peace in your own home. We're building more than a space here. We're restoring dignity to the art of living well, no matter the budget. And the anticipation? Oh, it's real. Because once you see number 5, you'll never look at a Dollar Tree aisle the same way again. So, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because this channel is your weekly dose of inspiration, hope, and down-to-earth how-tos. And please, do me one favor before we move on. Drop in the comments where you're watching from and the biggest gardening challenge you've faced this season. Because your struggle might just be the key someone else needs to grow again. Like this video, share your thoughts, because around here, your voice matters. It could be the very thing that helps another woman feel less alone. And isn't that what we're really doing here? Building homes, building gardens, but more importantly, building each other up? Number 1, window candle glow hack. We all crave that warm, welcoming feeling when we walk into a home, the kind that feels like it's giving you a hug. But have you ever noticed how many homes lack that inviting glow, especially at night? Instead, you get the harsh, cold light of overhead bulbs that leave you feeling distant and disconnected from the space around you. It's frustrating, right? You want that soft, magical lighting that makes everything feel cozy, but those expensive lanterns or fancy candles always seem out of reach, especially when you're on a budget. Here's the truth. You don't need to spend a fortune to create that cozy candlelit atmosphere. The Dollar Tree has a surprising solution. All you need are their $1 LED window candles. These battery-powered candles give off a soft, flickering light that mimics the warm glow of real candles without the risk of fire or high electricity bills. Simply place the candles in your windows, pop in some inexpensive batteries, and turn them on in the evening. You'll instantly transform the feel of your entire home, making it warm, inviting, and full of character. It's a small, easy change that delivers huge emotional payoff, and it costs next to nothing. Number 2, faux fireplace magic. It's a chilly evening, and you're curled up on the couch, wishing for a cozy fireplace to warm up the room. The kind of fireplace that crackles and hisses, filling the space with comfort and peace. But let's be real, most of us can't afford to install a real fireplace, especially when dealing with tight budgets and small living spaces. You end up feeling like you're missing out on the one thing that could make your home feel truly inviting. What if I told you that you don't need a full renovation to enjoy the warmth and charm of a fireplace? Dollar Tree has a clever, budget-friendly solution: foam boards and peel-and-stick brick wallpaper. Simply stack the foam boards in a simple fireplace shape and cover the front with the brick wallpaper. Add a few string lights inside, and voila! you've got yourself a stunning faux fireplace. It's safe, affordable, and brings that cozy, glowing ambiance right into your living room, all for less than $10. This hack will have your guests amazed and wondering how you created such a perfect fireplace on a budget. Number 3. Secret Garden Mason Jar Lanterns. Imagine stepping outside on a summer evening, the air warm, and the soft glow of lights illuminating your garden. There's something magical about lanterns hanging in the garden, right? But if you've ever tried to decorate your outdoor space with those charming, overpriced lanterns, you know how frustrating it can be. They're beautiful, but not always affordable, and worse, they often require complicated setups or specialty bulbs. Here's the secret. Dollar Tree has everything you need to create your own magical lanterns, and they're so easy to make. Grab a few mason jars, add some Dollar Tree fairy lights inside, and hang them along your garden path or porch railing. The glow from the lights will reflect off the glass, creating a dreamy, almost whimsical effect in your yard. These lanterns give your garden a romantic, secret garden vibe, all for just a few dollars. It's the kind of transformation that'll make you feel like you're walking through a fairy tale every evening. Number 4. Fabric Softener Wall Plug Hack. There's nothing quite like walking into a home that smells amazing, right? The kind of scent that makes you feel at ease and instantly at home. But let's face it, those pricey air fresheners and plug-ins can add up quickly, and the scents often fade away within hours, leaving your home smelling, well, not like a cozy sanctuary. You start to feel like it's impossible to keep your home smelling fresh without constantly buying new products. The solution is simpler and far more affordable than you think. Dollar Tree's fabric softener, mixed with water in a spray bottle, becomes a secret weapon to freshen up your home. Simply spray it behind curtains, under rugs, or along the baseboards. It's a simple hack that's both affordable and effective. The best part, you can customize the scent to your liking. The fresh, comforting smell will linger for hours, and your home will always feel inviting and cozy. For just a few dollars, you'll create an environment that smells like fresh laundry, without the chemicals or constant repurchasing. Number 5. Cozy Rug Layering Trick. It's one of those little things that often goes unnoticed, the floor beneath your feet. You know, the space that can either make your home feel warm and complete or cold and unwelcoming. You've probably tried different rugs in your living room or bedroom, but the cheap, thin ones never seem to do the job. They slip around, they don't provide enough comfort, and after a few months, they just look worn out. You want your space to feel cozy, but those rugs just don't quite cut it. Here's the trick. Dollar Tree bath mats. Yep, you heard that right. Grab a few of these inexpensive mats and layer them in your living space. The trick to making them look intentional is to use different colors or patterns and layer them in a way that adds texture. You can even tape them together with some sturdy tape for a more permanent effect. The layered look adds depth and comfort to your space, and it feels like stepping onto a soft, welcoming surface every time you walk into the room. Not only does it feel amazing underfoot, but it also gives your room that cozy, lived-in look that's just right. And the best part? You can create a beautiful, custom rug for less than $10, turning any room into a plush, comfy haven. Number 6. Vintage Mirror Transformation. Mirrors can completely change the feel of a room reflecting light, making spaces feel bigger and even adding a touch of elegance. But let's be honest, buying those beautiful, vintage-style mirrors from high-end stores is often out of reach. Instead, you're left with plain, basic mirrors that don't quite elevate the space the way you want them to. It's frustrating to know that mirrors can enhance your home's aesthetic, but the price tag just doesn't feel worth it. Here's the hack. Dollar Tree mirrors and a bit of creativity. Buy a few of their basic mirrors, then use some gold spray paint to create an antique-style frame. You can group them together to form a striking mirror wall, or just add one statement piece above a dresser or fireplace. The result? A gorgeous vintage-inspired mirror that looks like you spent hundreds when, in fact, you barely spent $5. This simple DIY can take a dull corner and turn it into a stunning focal point, giving your home that expensive feel without the hefty price. Number 7. Farmhouse Frame Wall. When it comes to creating a cozy, personal space, adding photos, artwork, or sentimental pieces to the walls is a must. But sometimes, buying matching frames can get expensive, especially when you're trying to do a gallery wall or add multiple frames to a single space. Plus, you don't always find frames that match your style. It's easy to get frustrated and just give up on that idea of a gallery wall that feels like you. Here's where Dollar Tree comes in to save the day. You can buy a variety of inexpensive frames from their collection and customize them to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you want a farmhouse, rustic vibe, or a more modern look, you can easily transform these frames with a bit of paint or even fabric to add texture. Once you've got your frames, you can fill them with anything: family photos, pressed flowers, old letters, or even printed vintage seed packets. You'll create a gallery wall that's uniquely yours, brimming with personal memories. For under $10, you can fill your walls with beauty, warmth, and meaning, creating a space that feels truly homey. Number 8. Heated Blanket Basket Hack. We all know the feeling: you're curled up on the couch, watching your favorite show, but the chill in the air won't let go. You just need something to wrap you up in warmth, something that makes you feel snug and safe. But those fancy electric blankets? They're expensive and often too bulky to store. Or maybe you've tried those cheap throws, but they just don't cut it when it comes to real warmth. You want a solution that's simple, affordable, and effective, but nothing seems to fit the bill. Here's the Dollar Tree hack you've been waiting for: a cozy blanket basket. All you need is a woven basket from Dollar Tree, a few soft fleece blankets. They're $1 each. And some strategic placement. Keep the basket in a corner of your living room or at the foot of your bed. When the chill sets in, all you have to do is reach over, grab a soft blanket, and snuggle up. These blankets are perfect for layering, and the soft texture will make you feel like you're wrapped in a warm hug every time you use them. The best part? It's not just functional, it's an easy way to add a stylish, cozy touch to any room without breaking the bank. For less than $10, you'll have your own personal warmth station ready for those cold nights. It's the kind of simple solution that makes your home feel like the coziest place in the world. You don't need to be rich to create a home that heals you. You just need Dollar Tree, intention, and heart. These simple hacks prove that creating a space filled with comfort, warmth, and love doesn't require a fortune. It just takes a little creativity and a lot of heart. So, the next time someone tells you that cozy costs money, send them this video. Or, better yet, invite them over and show them how you've turned your home into a sanctuary with just a few affordable finds. I want to hear from you. Which of these Dollar Tree hacks are you most excited to try? Or maybe you've got your own secret budget-friendly hack that transformed your space? Share it in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other make our homes more beautiful, cozy, and welcoming. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss more simple and affordable ways to create the life and home you deserve. And if you loved this video, share it with a friend who could use some cozy vibes in their life. Your thoughts and experiences matter, so leave them in the comments. We can all learn and grow together.